This course appeals to any student that has an interest in any of the travel industry. The travel course at the Cabin Group course is very successful. We have about 75 students that come in each year.
We do lots of curriculum enrichment. We look at the economy. We take lots of residential studies. We take them on lots of these trips to sort of enhance their understanding of theoretical learning.
Day one, they walk in and it's wow. They can't believe that this is here. They have facility to use. This cabin here at the college is so realistic.
For me to go into the travel and tourism industry, picking this college has been such a good decision. When I first came here, I was so excited. It is the inside of a plane, which is brilliant to work in. We get to practice safety demos. We're assessed on our safety demos and our pre-flight briefing. It's really good for practice. It does build your confidence. It's both practical and theory.
It is very realistic. I mean, very fortunate. It looks exactly like a cabin. Everything works on it, from the lights, overhead lockers to the flooring. Many of the students come in uniform and they look amazing, and I think it builds confidence with the students. They feel very proud to be in it, and you can see the difference in them. They walk around the college, everybody knows who they are. Over the years, we've had many students become successful with many big airlines: British Airways, Air Tanker, EasyJet, Thomas Cook, Thompson. They start their careers and they're more than happy to come back to the college to give talks to the present students.
It's good to get up in the morning, to know you get to come to a place like this.